Welcome to Yoga for Busy People. Let's get straight into this. We will begin seated, kneeling or cross-legged, whichever you find most comfortable. Rest your hands into the lap, soften the shoulders, and close off the eyes. Just take a few moments to breathe in through the nose and out of the mouth. Let your breath guide you into the present moment, the here and now. Let go of anything that you may be holding on to. Let go of the day that you've had so far. Simply focus on your breath. As you draw your next breath in, lift the shoulders up towards the ears. And as you exhale, soften the shoulders back down. Inhale, lift the shoulders. Exhale, relax them down. 2 more times. Inhale, raise those shoulders up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift the shoulders. Exhale, dropping them back down. Let's lower the chin to the chest and take a half circle over to the right, bringing right ear to the right shoulder. Draw a breath in and out. Lower the chin to the chest again, then circle over to the left. Breathe a deep breath in and exhale out. Let's lower the head back down, chin to the chest. Pause for a moment for a nice release along the back of the neck. Gently lift the head back to the center. Come to cross-legged if you are not there yet. And with your next breath in, arch the spine as you open up the chest and lift the gaze. Exhale, round the upper back, lower the chin and draw the belly in. Again, inhale, opening and expanding the chest. Exhale, spreading those shoulder blades apart and drawing the navel into the spine. Inhale, open up. Exhale as you round. Once more, inhale, open chest, open heart. Exhale, round and lower the chin, squeeze the belly in. Return to a neutral spine. Let's now bring the soles of the feet together, allowing the knees to drop down towards the ground. And take a hold of the feet. If you are feeling tight in the hips, you are welcome to bring your feet further away from the body. Take an inhale to sit nice and tall, straight in the spine. As you exhale, begin reaching the crown of the head forwards, keeping the back as straight as possible. Pause here as you take a moment for those inner thighs to soften, any tension to begin to melt away. Gently bring your knees back together. Let's take the right foot to the inside of the left thigh, left leg extended straight out. Flex the left toes. Ground down into your seat. Take an inhale and lift the arms up. As you exhale, begin to fold forwards, reaching for the foot or maybe the lower leg. Again, keeping the spine as straight as you can. Feel the back of the left thigh releasing, softening. Any of that tension starting to melt away. Gently rise. And let's take the left foot to the inside of the right leg. So the right leg extended out long, flex the right toes. Take an inhale as you face towards the right foot, lift those arms up. Exhale, begin to fold, reaching for the foot, maybe the lower leg. Send your breath into the right hamstring. Gently make your way up. Let's come to all fours. Stack the hips on top of the knees. Then start walking the hands forwards, bringing the arms to as straight as possible. Begin melting the chest and forehead down to the ground. Keep the core activated by drawing the belly inwards. Feel the upper body opening. Breathe deeply in this extended puppy pose. Know that you can ease out from this posture at any time. If you'd like to go deeper, you can bring your chin down to the ground. Let's gently return to all fours. Step the right foot forwards. Stack the right knee over the ankle for a low lunge. Take an inhale as you reach the arms to the sky. Squeeze the inner thighs towards each other. Breathing in, feeling the chest expand. On the exhale, feeling the belly drawing inwards. Take another deep breath here. As you exhale, lower the hands back down to the floor. Tuck the back toes now, and we'll lift that back knee up, coming into a high lunge, firm up through the back leg. And sweep the arms all the way up to the sky. Stay firm and strong through the legs. Know that you can bend that back knee if you need to. One more big breath in. As you exhale, lower the hands back down to frame the front foot, lower the back knee, and place that right foot back behind. Let's switch to the other side. So step the left foot forwards. Find a low lunge. Left knee stacks over the ankle. Inhale as you sweep the arms up. Hug those inner thighs together. Reach up for the sky. Inhale in, chest expands. Exhale, lower your hands back down. Again, tuck the back toes, firm up through the legs, and lift the back knee away from the floor. And rise all the way up for a high lunge. Firming up through the legs. Remember, you can bend that back knee if you need. No worries. Do what you need to do here. One more deep breath in this high lunge. And then exhale. This time take the hands onto the hips. And we'll step that back foot forwards. From here, we are going to come into a warrior one. So we'll step the right leg back, roughly a 4-foot stance here. Send the back toes out to a 45-degree angle, straighten the back leg. Press to the knife edge of the back foot, lift the arms up. Slow, steady breaths. Standing strong, pressing through the feet. Lower your hands down and bring them behind the back. Interlace the fingers. Take a big inhale and expand the chest. On the exhale, hinge forwards for humble warrior, or you can stay upright if you would prefer. Feel a good stretch through the shoulders. Legs stay exactly as they were. Round through the feet. Inhale to lift up halfway, straighten the spine. Exhale, come all the way up to stand, upright. Release the hands, bringing them to prayer at your heart center. Spin onto the ball of the back foot and take a step forwards. Moving into warrior one on the left side, step the left foot back, send the toes out, ground through the feet. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Let's lower the arms, take the hands behind the back. Prepare for a humble warrior, interlace the fingers. Inhale, puff out the chest. Exhale, lowering forehead down to the inside of that right knee. Inhale breath to lead you halfway up. Exhale, come all the way up. Release the hands, bring them back to prayer. Come to the ball of the back foot and step yourself forwards, top of the mat. Bringing your hands to your heart center, thumbs pressed to the sternum. We will finish here and end with a deep cleansing breath. So draw a big breath in through the nose. Exhale and pour that breath out of the mouth. As we close off this practice, I'd like to say thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to subscribe for more yoga and meditation. Namaste.